In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hollyland Lark M2 to DJI Action 5 Pro. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you would like to use your Lark M2 microphones with your DJI Action 5 Pro, you can easily establish this connection. There are two main ways to do this. You can try out both and see which one works for you. So for the first method, all that you would have to do is to plug this transmitter or receiver into the camera. So using the USB port available on the DJI Action 5 Pro, simply plug this in. As soon as you take the transmitters out of the case, they should start blinking, which indicates that they are pairing up automatically. And upon being paired, these lights are going to be stabled and you are good to go. You can also manually force them to pair by pressing these buttons on the side and they will enter pairing mode. Now, if you don't have the USB port available or this method doesn't work right away, then what you can do is purchase a USB-C to 3.5mm adapter. So this adapter will allow you to use the receiver plus the cable. So there will be a TRS to TRS cable. You can plug one end into the output of the receiver for your Hollyland Lark M2, and then the other end is connected into this port. The USB-C is going into the DJI Action 5 port. And as long as you establish a connection this way, you will also be able to use the microphones. As soon as you take them out of the case, the same thing will happen. So the light will start blinking, indicating that they are searching for the receiver nearby, and they will automatically connect. Once this is done, you can now start recording and all of the audio will be picked up by the M2 microphones. And this is going to work with other DJI cameras as well. The steps are roughly the same, so you just connect them together and use the receiver. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Hollyland Lark M2 to DJI Action 5 Pro. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.